Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally guys, this container van is been here for a week, and so far ito pala nalalagay namin. So we're trying to figure out kung anong mauuna, if the bed and one of our big couch is gonna put in there. So akala ko guys, kasi pag nakikita mo kasi akala mo malaki at marami kang mangyayari. But in reality, medyo maliit lang. So, eto guys, we're trying to put everything. Well, we're trying to sort out kung alin na yung talagang kailangan namin. So, the reason why I'm showing you this, para lang ipakita ang before and after namin mailagay yung mga kailangan namin. And plus, we still have two bedroom bed and couches and I don't know, 3 TVs inside the main house. So we'll see if everything ay magkakasya dito sa aming container. And when it's done, I will show you the before and after. So this is before. There's a lot of stuff here, and we're trying to put whatever we need to put it inside this container. So, alright, I see you the after of this everything. Alright. Hi guys, welcome back. So far, ito na po yung aming container. Ayan. So the container is already, it's been here for a week, and we're taking our time to putting stuff there. And sa totoo lang po, hindi ko akalain na ganito lang siya kalaki. Kasi on my head, pag sinabing 16 feet, parang napakalaki, pero hindi po pala. So, at the end of this vlog po, isabihin ko sa inyo yung mga tips na na-experience ko, yung mga dapat nyong gawin, or based on my experience, sasabihin ko po sa inyo yung meron po akong 5 tips para sa inyo sa mga maglilipat kung paano nyo po gagawin. So, ito po, pakita ko po ito sandali sa inyo. Ito po yung container namin. Almost, I would say, 80% na po na 80% na po yung puno. Ayan. So, at the end of this day, guys, hopefully natapos na namin lahat yan. Ito na yung update ng garage. Ayan na. Kukunti na lang po. Karamihan na lang dito yung mga boxes. Ayan. Karamihan po nito ay puro ano na lang po. I-donate namin sa Salvation Army. Ayan. So tomorrow guys, tomorrow morning, pipick upin na po itong aming storage container, and sila nang bahalang magdala nito kung saan kami lilipat na state, which is Texas. And nakaka-anxiety lang po minsan, pero it's all good. Kaya naman. So ayan. And ano ba? So siya nga pala guys, gusto ko lang ibigyan ng i-shoutout yung aming mga kaibigan dito sa LA. Number 1, mga 5 lang, hindi naman po, yung mga tumulong lang po sa husband ko. Number 1 po, Lito and Evelyn Tenolar. Thank you so much. And Mooch and Joey at saka sa kid. Thank you so much din. And sino ba? Yung isa po naming kaibigan na matagal na naming spiritual family, si Ramon D. Kuya, thank you so much. Ang laking tulong mo sa amin. And baba. So, and also sa lahat po ng aming mga kaibigan na nag-take time, mag-invite kami for dinner, and to spend time for our last month here. Thank you so much. And yun lang po. God bless you. Bye-bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is the day, this is the final countdown of everything. So ngayon guys, this is actually this container van behind me is been here for 2 weeks. So far Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Ngayon kasi guys, kukunin na ito mamayang between 9 to 1 in the morning. So, we wake up so early para ma-impake talaga namin. And, pakita ko sa inyo yung after mamaya pag kinuha na ito. And then, i-take nila. Nadalhin nila kung saan kami lilipat. So, ito na. Guys, 90% puno na siya. Ayan. Kita nyo. So, iniwan namin tong isang single, what to call this, single mattress kasi lalagay namin dito sa pintuan para may cushion siyang konti. And then, lalagyan pa siya nitong parang net o tali, yan, para hindi siya gumalaw-galaw. So, ayan guys. And then, pakita ko rin sa inyo yung ano nangyari sa garage. Ito na yung after. Yung first step, pinakita ko sa inyo na punong-puno talaga ito. So, actually, we give away 40% of the stuff here. Meron pang ang naiwan. Ayan. So, yan, meron pang mga naiwan. So, hindi namin masyadong nagamit itong container na to. Yung nabibiling containers. Kasi guys, kailangan nyo ng mga maliliit na boxes para ilagay yung, kasi kailangan punuin nyo ito, hindi gumagalaw-galaw. Yan. So, lahat ng pwedeng lagyan, kung meron kayong different sizes ng boxes, yung maliliit, it's better kasi mas madaling ipasok. So guys, bigyan ko kayo ng tips para based on my experience. Number one na tip ko is even before dumating yung container nyo, i-box nyo na yung mga mag-box na kayo ng maliliit na box, yung magamit nyo na pwede sa maliliit na box, ilagay nyo na kahit na yung mga heavy kasi yun ang pwede nyo ipasok. And then number two, ang una nyo ipasok dito sa loob ng container ninyo is yung bedroom nyo, yung bedroom set, yung mga kama or mattress, frame, kasi ito yung parang sa unahan para alam nyo pa kung ano pa yung pwede nyo mailagay. Number 3 guys, yung kailangan nyo ng parang net para mas stable sila sa loob kasi kung hindi, gagalaw-galaw siya doon. So like yung ginawa namin, yung half portion nito ng container na to, niligyan na namin ng net. So, ito kasi guys, pag nirent nyo, it doesn't matter kung gaano ka-heavy. So, kasi yung magbubuhat naman dyan yung parang crane. So, ayan. So, yun lang muna yung tip ko. This is guys, based on my experience, okay? So, ayan na guys. So, right now, inihintay ko na lang yung guy na may dalang crane para kunin ito. So, almost close na yan. Konti na lang. Yan. So, I'll be back. Hello guys! Welcome back! So, andito na nga, dumating na yung magpipick up ng aming storage. Ito na guys, nasarado na. So, ito guys, kasama to sa binigay ng first day. Ayan. Tapos guys, ito na. Ito na siya. Dumating na. Ayan guys yung trailer ng guys. Yan. So, ikat ako dito para makita natin. Ay, hold on. Pabalik rin ko, guys. Ayan na. Ayan o. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung pipick upin niya. Yan. So, ayan na, guys. Nagkabaka.
Oh.
How can we be overweight? It's just our bed.
So 500 pounds. Yeah. Do I have to reschedule? I have to take a step up. Yeah. Okay. How soon can, if I reschedule, how soon can
Just I would
Overweight
call
na
today-
Alan? Huh?
I would call today to reschedule.
Okay.
How many are overweight? I'm sorry.
400? 500.
They're like 4 or 500.
Okay.
I thought there's no weight.
Yeah, I thought, yeah. I didn't ask about the weight, man. I
didn't
ask
know.
about the weight.
Hi guys, I'm so sorry. We have a little setback and we're overweight. Our staff is overweight. How many pounds? That? 500? 400? 400 pounds. So we're overweight 400 pounds, I think. And it's our fault because we didn't know, like, we thought that kung ano yung binigay sa amin na yung yan is walang weight, basta lagay lang namin yung gamit namin. So anyhow, we're gonna open it again and take out some stuff na sa palagay namin magbibigat. So alright, so I guess tomorrow is, so bukas na siguro ito makukuha. So hindi namin alam na may weight talaga eh. So one thing na yun, number 1 yun sa dapat din dapat yung mag-rent nito. But honestly, I like kasi on time sila sa pag-pick up and everything. They call you or they tell you like ano oras darating, let's say 45 minutes and he was here. So I like that service, that on time. So I think on our side, kasi hindi namin niliwanag, hindi namin inassume namin na walang weight limit, ganyan, yung pala meron. So anyhow, this vlog is gonna continue by the time they really pick it up. Okay, bye guys.